Hello busy bees. This week's project is energy sources. Now energy is something that helps you to move, or where we get electricity from, or the fuel that we put in our car. It's all things that help us move or to do something. Today we're going to talk about solar energy, and solar energy means it comes from the sun. So some of you might have a solar geyser on your roof, and the sun helps to heat up the water so that when you have a bath, you've got hot water. Let's get started. What we're going to do today is we are going to make a sun catcher. So I've remembered my newspaper today, and I've already started so that I can, it's dried a bit. So I've got a sponge and I've got some yellow paint, and I've cut a big circle, and that's going to be the middle of my sun. And I'm just going to finish off here. And as you can see, I've used wax paper, which we use in baking, so that it is a little bit see-through. So as you can see, underneath, we'll be able to put it on our window and we'll be able to see through it. Now I've also cut some triangles. Well, I'm going to cut them now, and I've done this already. So these are going to be the rays from our sun. And I should have. See, I've done the yellow already. And it's nice and dry, so when I'm gluing it, I don't lose all my yellow paint. So who can remember what makes a triangle? A triangle has how many sides? It has 3 sides. And how many corners does a triangle have? 3 corners. That's right. Get rid of our scraps. So those of you who have solar geysers, sometimes when we don't have good sunny days, a few in a row, we have lots of cloudy days, our water doesn't feel as hot as it should. It's because the sun's energy, solar energy, is helping to heat up that water. Right, almost done. Oopsie daisy. Should have cut a few before we got started. You live and learn. Right, so there are my rays of my sun. I'm going to move my newspaper now. Actually, I'm not going to keep it there for now. So I'm going to turn my circle upside down, and I'm going to take some glue. And I'm just going to put a bit of glue on the outside of my circle, all the way around. And then I'm going to take my rays. See, it's sticking over there. But if you give it a bit of time to dry, then it won't stick onto your paper. And then I just put all my rays around my sun. Hopefully I have made enough rays. Looks like I have, thank goodness. There we go. And the last one there. So the wax wrap, what's nice about it is that it's actually see-through. So we can, then you get some sticky stuff. And because it's very soft, you'll have to put sticky stuff on all the rays of the sun, and then you can put it up in a window and you'll be able to see through it. And there is our sun catcher. Awesome. Happy crafting!